In this video, we will make our search case insensitive. So the program scans multiple files and searches for keywords. And what it does is it'll convert each line to lowercase so that keyword detection is not affected by capitalization. So at this point, the program can find search for small letter keywords. However, so let me just run it. This is based on our previous program. That's actually running already. So if you can see here, for example, in our block 2, it identified the keyword warning. However, as soon as I change that one to, say, warning, and same for that, make it capital letter, then let's just see how the program will behave. Then we can actually see that it doesn't detect any of our keywords from the second keyword list, which is warning. So warning. However, here warning, just because we changed it as a capital letter, it doesn't detect it. And the same thing for our third file, it detected only the keyword failed. However, it didn't detect the keyword error. So this really happens because our string here, our string function in C is case sensitive. That means it treats warning in small letters and warning in capital letters as two different words. So to solve this problem, we convert the text to lowercase before searching. So right here, right before we start the search, I'm gonna add another loop where we convert the line that we read from the file to lowercase using the toLower function. So once that line or everything now is converted to lowercase, the program will be able to detect keywords regardless of how they are written. So in our previous run, it was only able to detect lowercase words with lower cases like failed. It couldn't detect error. It didn't detect warning. So now that we've converted everything to a lowercase, it should now make the program case insensitive so that it would still detect words even if they appear in capital letters. But so let's run it one more time. Let's stop this application. Run it one more time. And I have an error. Oh, I need to add the particular header to my file. That one. So I need this header so that I could use the toLower function. Let's run it one more time. And so now it was able to detect our first warning in capital letters in our log2 file. And in log3, it was able to detect error and failed. So that was okay from before, the failed one, because it's already in small letters. But now, even if I've changed that to failed, the program should still detect it as the keyword that we're searching for. So still able to detect it. I hope this video was helpful to you, and I'll see you in the next one.